Good, bounce back, relax your wrist and elbow and roll off your knee. Push that lower leg off or side. Let those shoulders hang right above your hips. Just like that, good. Needs a little more balance on that inside rein around those turns. Bounce back, don't fall back. You want to bounce back on your finger and your wrist a little bit, just like you slide that bit like we talked about the Western thing. Good, whoop, whoop. Good, whoop. Touch, soften. Keep those legs right underneath you. Good, just like that. Whoop, catch her a little bit.